Hello friends, I am Dr. Tripti Vijaywargia, Associate Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges. Welcomes you on Guru KPU. Today I am delivering the lecture on process of decision making. What is decision making? Decision making a systematic and rational process which is going to be in any organization, in any society, in any family. It is related with any individual or a group as well as. In the process of decision making, one has to take various stages which has faces by the individual. We can understand the process in some steps. There are various steps. One by one we can work on individually. First of all, there is a perception of decision making problem. What is the decision problem? Firstly, one has to identify the problem which has to be decided. And after the decide of your decision of problem, then it is necessary to diagnose the decision problem. When we perceive the problem, there are so many internal and external environment which has to be studied by the individual. And when we diagnose the decision problem, it is related with the specific problem. It is narrowing from the decision problem, perception of decision problem. It is more broad concept and it is narrowing of the perception of decision problem. And after the diagnosing of decision problem, one has to collect of relevant information. When we have a clear frame of the decision problem, it is very easier to find the relevant information because it is very supportive for the decision problem solutions. If we have no relevant information, it is very tough or it will be harmful for the individual when there is no relevant information. So it is very necessary to collect the relevant information. And remember, when we collect the relevant information, we have to be impartial. Collect all the fruitful alternatives and all the harmful problems, and after the collection of information we have to decide what will be effective, what will be ineffective for the betterment of organization or the individual. After the collection of relevant information, we have to enter in the search of alternative course of action. With the help of relevant information, it is very easier to take the course of action with the alternatives, because when we have more than one alternatives, it is very easy to take a better decision for the particular problem. So it is very necessary to have various alternatives for the particular problem. And when we have more than one alternative, it is very necessary to evaluate every alternative. And when we evaluate the alternatives, we have to be impartial also. In the course of evaluation of alternatives, we have to broad-minded, and for the interest of organization, we have to some adjustments and compromises. After the evaluation, there is a narrowing process of taking the final choice. And when we are in this step, we have to many experience from these all the courses of action. So it is very easy to making a final choice. But remember, when we entered in this step, we have to broad-minded, open your eyes and ears also, because it will be fruitful or harmful for the organization. If we take the wrong decision, then all the exercises, all the money and all the time will be ruined. So be conscious and be aware at this step. And after the making of final choice, it is very sure, very mandatory that the decision may be implemented. Because if we take decision, but if we are not aware for the implementation, there is no use of take a good decision. So it is very necessary when we take good decision, it is very mandatory to take the good implementation. And if we took the effective implementation, all the money and time and energy will be converted in fruitful decisions. So my friends, it is very necessary to take your time to take a final decision, because it is related with all the energy, all the time and all the money which you have spent on that particular problem. Thank you and thank you. For further detail you can visit our website www.gurukpo.com. Thank you.